All right, let's start getting into it. So, first off, welcome in to the members only chat stream. This happens every Tuesday and Thursday for those who might be new here, but let's go ahead and get into this. We're going to be covering some news. We're going to be going over an extensive list of cryptos and their TA because I think they're about to make a move in the very near future. So, yeah, without further ado, let's start getting into all this so we don't miss the trade setups. Anyways, Donald Trump crypto business launched a dollar coin called USD1. This is what we know so far. Yo, what's up, B-Rock? How you doing? So Donald Trump's crypto portfolio continues to grow. His crypto project, World Liberty Financial, has launched a stablecoin or token pegged to fiat currency like the US dollar, according to public data on Tuesday's press release called USD1. So essentially what Donald Trump said, I'm going to just abbreviate all of this because now they're going to start explaining it all. But what he wants to do, he wants to actually back all of this stablecoin with US Treasury bills as well as any other cash equivalent. So it'll be really liquid, but also if this thing actually takes off, it's going to make it surprisingly to where the US can borrow a shit ton more money. Simply because a lot of people don't realize it, but the treasuries are what the US actually uses to pay for things. They don't necessarily use our tax dollars. Our tax dollars is just generating revenue in order for us to borrow money against it from the World Bank or from our treasury or whatever. So this is a way for two things that could happen. The country can borrow more money, so it could boost their credit rating and stuff like that because it does show like strength in the dollar, people wanting it. On top of that, what it could end up doing is surprisingly lowering housing rates, mortgage rates, because they're tied to the 10-year treasury bonds. So if you continuously have people buying in or something buying into these T-bills, then it's going to lower the interest rate on them, which then lowers the mortgage rates. So this might have some really interesting effects if it does catch fire. So we'll see how it goes. Anyways, moving on from that, Bitcoin jumps 3% on reports that Trump will opt for fewer tariffs than expected. So essentially what ended up happening, I'm not going to pay for this for news updates, but essentially what ended up happening was Trump had mentioned that he might lower the amount that he's trying to charge people in tariffs. So instead of 25% on top of reciprocal tariffs, who knows? Maybe it drops to 15% or 10% or nothing at all because, you know, reasons. Playing around with our markets, I swear. Bitcoin, XRP, Sol rise with U.S. Equity futures as Trump plans targeted allocation action against tariffs. Liberation Day. So more stuff about the tariffs here. What we need to know: financial markets showed positive signs early Monday due to reports suggesting the upcoming Trump tariffs due on April 2nd might be more measured than initially expected. Bitcoin traded around 86,500, up 2.7% in 24 hours basis, and Solana's Sol token traded nearly 6% higher at $138. We did see that, which was actually pretty good. We will be looking at Solana's chart today, so that's all good. Key events, which in the coming days, including Friday's PCE reading. So that's something we do have to pay attention to. Friday, PCE readings that could move the markets, so be ready. Also, I believe it's the last Friday of the month, so futures expirations as well. I'm going to need to look up what the max pain price is for futures, because that might start making the markets move a little wonky. Anyways, yeah, so let's move on from that. I don't really care. Crypto market today, March 25th. Bitcoin price holds 86K amid wide fear. So why was there fear in the market? Fear and greed index slips to 34, cautioning traders about fear in the market. Bitcoin's price floats above 86,645, seeing a slight decline of 0.24. CRO makes it to the top position with the 33.8% surge in 24 hours. Wait, what? I didn't even know CRO moved. That's absolutely insane. All right, cool. Anyways, so yeah, basically they're talking about how things were sideways. Not bad. Anyways, the stock market has been doing pretty well. Finally got its third winning day today. So good for it. We had a good day on Friday, we had a good day Monday, and we had a good day today. Hopefully some of that money starts flowing into the crypto space. Anyways, let's get into the TA, and let's see why I put up Breakout, damn it. Well, all signs are pointing toward Bitcoin could be breaking out within the next day or two. Currently on your 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin, you have a low stochastic RSI. You were overbought, now you're not. We could put in some bearish divergence, but right now everything is set up. The stage is set for Bitcoin to make a nice move up to $91,897. Stage is set. It's up to the bulls now. Are they gonna break this S out or what? CRO CEO met Donald. Oh, that's what happened? Yeah, I had no idea that thing even moved. Not a clue. You can tell how much I pay attention to CRO. Even though they did have some good news because what was Trump was talking about, he was going to use CRO to launch ETFs or something. So, makes sense. Makes sense. But yeah, Bitcoin as of right now, you have a low stochastic on the 4-hour. You are not overbought anymore. You're sitting pretty. Checking out your daily on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, who cares about the stochastic? Relative strength just got into the bullish control zone. Just now. Just today. We finally got in there. Going down to our 1-hour time frame. Low stochastic. And now we are uptrending. So, yeah, the stage is set. The bulls have every opportunity to send this thing up 4.6% and get a nice breakout, not only of the uptrend that we're in, but also this longer term downtrend that's been holding us down. They could push it up. We'll see what they do. We'll see what they do. We'll see if they got the cojones. I feel like it's time, you know? I feel like it's time. Because we have been held down ever since, I'm going to say this second high right here, January 30th. 3 months of consolidation. How much time do you need, guys? How much time do you need? We already made a 50% retrace. How much time do you need? Crazy. Craziness, but on the next leg up, we're going to be looking at more than likely $135,000. Not bad. Not a bad look. We'll see how it goes. We'll see if they can do it. We'll see. Anyways, let's look at the liquidation heat map here. So, checking out Bitcoin on the 24-hour. We got a lot of shorts up here ready for the taking. We do have some longs sitting down here that's $92 million sitting right there. Hopefully they don't try and wick it out. That would suck. That would really suck. Let's check out the weekly real quick. Weekly, oh my goodness, there's a huge block of liquidity sitting right here. Holy moly. You got 138, 175, 171, 130 million. Oh my god. Okay, there's a massive block of liquidity sitting right above us. Wow. If we're going to break out, it's going to be because of those guys. Holy crap. That's insane. That is actually insane. Damn. Alright, anyways. That's Bitcoin for you. So let's go into the list of things we're going to be looking at today. So we've looked at Bitcoin. We're going to be looking at Ethereum, Solana, ADA, HBAR, XRP. I'm currently in these two trades, so Aave and Caspa. Then we're also going to check out a few that I do think are going to move up anywhere between tonight and maybe by Thursday the move should start. But we're looking at Avio, AI, Alt, Ape, Arkham, Atom, Banana, Boba, BSW, Cake, CET, Chess, Cloud, Core, and Foxy. Once I saw all of those, I just decided to stop writing down different tokens because I was like, that's a pretty big list. So if you guys have others that you want to get looked at, feel free to request. Anyways, let's go into Ethereum. So Ethereum on the daily, you are chugging along, not doing much. You are not in the bullish control zone yet on your RSI, so hey, your CCI indicator, you did enter that bullish control zone, so that's good. You're still overextended to the downside from your 50 simple moving average just to test the 50. You need to make it up to 23.23, surprisingly. So that's cool. Let's check the 4 hour. 4 hour, you're fine. You're fine. No big deal. You're still looking to go up and test this, or not test, but next leg up, you should be looking for 21.82. Could be a very good spot to get up into. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, I mean, I don't see why there's any selling pressure right now. I don't see why they're selling. It looks primed and ready for upside. Doesn't make any sense, but hey, here we are. Selling. For reasons. Probably all those shorts not wanting to get liquidated. Let's check out Solana. So, checking out Solana on the 1 hour, looking fantastic. But you do have bearish divergence, so keep that in mind. However, you did break bullishly out of a rising wedge pattern. You bullishly backtested, and now you're getting above a fib level. This is good. This is really good. We're still looking for that 154 to play out. Not bad. Looking like that next leg could be coming tonight. 4 hour time frame. Your 4 hour, little bit left to be desired on that stochastic, but you're not overbought. So worst case scenario, you come down, you backtest a 200 simple, then you keep it pushing. We're going to see what it does over time, but I do believe you're going to get another breakout sometime in the near future, and 225 is your target right now for Solana. Solana doesn't look bad. Not at all. Checking out ADA. I looked at this one earlier. It was looking pretty darn good because guess what? We finally broke this downtrend. We are above it. Finally. So, with that being said, we do have a measured move out of this, and that is to get up this 19%. More than likely, we're going to be testing 88.5. So we got a bit more upside to go. Looks like we're going to be consolidating for a little bit, so hang tight on ADA. But ADA looks pretty darn decent on this breakout. You got a little bit of a fake out to the downside before it pushed right on up out of there. So that's good. That's a really good sign. If we can get a breakout of this longer term downtrend, ADA could be off to the races. Looking at $1.95 to $2.29. If it can get that breakout. I feel like I'm getting rinsed on my trades right now. Jesus. I've been in my trades literally all day. They didn't do a damn thing. Can we check layer and move? I don't even know what layer is, but sure. We can check them both out. I got you covered, B-Rock. Got you covered. So, moving on. We got H-Bar. H-Bar, I believe, had a pretty good day today also. Same boat as ADA. Currently backtesting your former downtrending level of resistance. Problem you do have here is you have a major level of resistance that you're currently under, and you need to reset your stochastic on the 4 hour. This thing could consolidate for like 2 days, but it does look good. Oh, Eric, thank you so much for the $4.99 super chat. LCX and Cookie Dow. Got you covered. LCX. Cookie. I got you covered, Eric. Thank you so much for the super chat. I appreciate you. So yeah, this one, nice little back test, looking pretty good. 4 hour just needs to consolidate a bit. Your 1 hour says, hey, we're ready to go, bro. Too bad that 4 hour's not ready for you. Too bad. And you also, looks like you might have a little bit of bearish divergence on the 1 hour. You do. A little bit of bearish divergence. Not really a big deal. But yeah, H-Bar's looking pretty solid. Pretty solid. Let's go back out to the 4 hour. Let's get into the next one. XRP. XRP, 58 cents. XRP, you are still utilizing this uptrend as a resistance, which is kind of annoying, but your 4 hour does say you want to go up. So if we are to go up here on XRP, what your target would be is around 281. That would be your target if you do get that move to the upside. If you do get the move to the upside, we're going to have to reconsider this uptrend to this one right here. So if that is the case, we would end up bringing this here and bringing this right here, because you are on a fresh breakout, and then this wouldn't actually matter. So you'd be looking at it just like this. Here's the trend that you're holding right now, and you're looking for a nice little 14% move to the upside if the market gets bullish. As long as the fear doesn't set in. But if Bitcoin breaks out, I'm pretty sure you're getting 14% out of XRP. I'm pretty sure. Anyways, moving along, we got Aave. So Aave, I got into this one simply because you have an extremely low stochastic. I mean, we're about to go into whatever unknown downside territory is for being oversold on the stochastic. I'm expecting a bounce. It's just not coming yet. I'm looking for only an 8% move to the upside. It doesn't want to give it to me. Even checking out your 1 hour, we were in that oversold territory back here. We barely came up and we came back down. So the sellers are out here for this one, but we are on a fresh breakout of a major downtrend. So even that being said, we should find ourselves over time for Aave getting back up here to like 294. But for some reason, they just, sellers are selling, trying to get this thing to get pulled right back down. So we'll see if they're successful. Let's see if they stop me out. If they do, that'll suck. But hey, it is what it is. Is what it is. And yeah, simply just can't get the bids for some reason or another. Just can't do it. Let's check out the 15-minute. Okay, 15-minute while trading sideways down manages to get all of this movement. That's absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. But we do have a level of support that we could use. Let's check it out on the 1 hour just so we can see it plain as day. We got two levels here that I would like to maintain above. And that would be this one right here. And if we lose it, this one right here. Hopefully we can keep maybe in the range. I don't give a shit. Just don't hit my stop loss. I really don't care. Just don't hit the stop loss. But yeah, I'm looking for a nice move all the way up to 203. Anyways, moving along, we got Kaspa. So Kaspa here. So we were extremely low on the RSI for the 1 hour. We are on the 4 hour, also very low on the RSI, stochastic RSI. We're also low on the RSI. So all day today, we have just been acting like we're about to dump without dumping. If this was me before, I would have thrown in a short and totally forgot about it. I would have been looking for tons of downside. However, it does look like this is going to be a fake out to the downside, so I'm thinking we're going to go up. Anyways, same boat. We're looking at the 15-minute here, and the 15, it's trying to reset. We did, however, get above that 50 simple, also the 100. Now we're trying to wick and hold it. We'll see. Anyways, we can see this trade right here. I have been in the red all freaking day. Actually, since yesterday. Been in the red. We're down 40%. I'm just waiting to see if it stops me out or not. And then here's the Aave trade also. We're down 5% now, but at some points during the day, we were also up 25%. So, is what it is. Is what it is. Anyways, moving along. Now, these ones are all speculations, so we're just going to be looking at it on the 4-hour time frame so you guys can see what I saw. First up, we're going to check out AVO. So, AEVO. You can see the low stochastic right now. We're coming out of the depths of hell. We're uptrending. This thing looks great for upside. Honestly, great for upside. Let's change the thickness of this. All right. So, here we are. Closer we are to this uptrend, the better. But this looks pretty solid. Looks pretty damn solid. Also, on a longer term downtrend, we have broken out. So right here, it's the downtrend I'd be working off of. We've broken out. So naturally, the upside target we're looking at, getting that 618, possibly. We could be looking at this to make a massive move to the upside, maybe even hitting some resistance. 129% upside is what I'm looking for. And I think this thing could start moving as soon as tomorrow, but we will see. We will see. You had your bullish divergence from back here. No, we didn't. It was right here. Right here to here. Bullish div. Now we're uptrending. Maintain the uptrend, buddy. 129% upside could be yours. All right, next up we have AI. So AI, same exact thing. Breaking out of a longer term downtrend. We can see it right here. Been broken out of it. We even broke out of the recent downtrend, didn't we? Traded sideways right out of it. So there we go. Broken out. We are uptrending. So this one, you can have two camps of thought. You can say, here's your uptrend. As long as you maintain this uptrend, you're good. Looks like you're about to get a resolution to this pretty soon. But on a smaller scale, what you could be looking at is this right here, where you could make a small move up. Thank you. Oh, it's hot. Thank you. I'm good. Appreciate you. What? Yeah. So that's on a small scale, 26%. On a larger scale, though, considering you did break out of such a big pattern, this thing could get nasty. Looking at 200% upside possible. So this could be great for the portfolio. Just maybe, if it catches bids. We'll see. Just bringing it to your attention. Anyways, next up we have alt. Alt looks the exact same. You have a stochastic on the 4-hour, dragging its butt on the ground. You're sitting in neutral territory. Your CCI indicators telling you, hey, this is the time to buy, baby. So right now you do have this uptrend right here that you're interacting with it right now. So right now might be the best time to jump into this thing. And noted, long-term downtrend. Long-term. You got a double downtrend here. Just broke out of everything. So let's bring this over. So let's just say you get the entirety of the move. Could find yourself back up to 14 cents. So there is a possibility of 265% upside. We'll see if it happens. We'll see. Anyways, Ape coin, you are uptrending. If we do get a pullback, there is a possibility of a pullback, but with us trading sideways and doing absolutely nothing, well, you're starting to reset your stochastic right now on the 4-hour. That's really hard to do unless it was really bullish. So upside swing could be pretty substantial. On a shorter time frame that you're looking for is to get back up to $1.04. I know some of you are probably like, why does he keep bringing up $1.04? 87% upside. It's your next level. It's a 618 retracement. A lot of things are pointing toward you're going to go there if we can get a little bullish. So we're just waiting on Ape. Just waiting. Next up we have Arkham. So Arkham, same boat, looking good, broke out recently. Even if you come back down to test support at 59.7, your upside potential here is very substantial. It's about 140% upside from where you're at right now. Very good upside potential here for Arkham. Probably want to put this on the radar. Probably. Not going to tell you what to do, though. Damn, Aave is getting roasted right now. Jeez, so is Caspa. Damn. Looks like tonight ain't gonna be as bullish as I thought. Anyways, Atom. So Atom right now, fresh breakout, back testing, broke out of a recent downtrend. You're trying to break bearishly out of this uptrend. However, you have two levels right now. You're looking at this move right here, which is 11% upside, or the move from back here, which is about an 18% upside move. So Atom has everything going for it. You could see this thing move up, but the market is deciding it wants to try and stop people out right now. So hopefully you don't get stopped out if you do jump into this trade. I'm currently not in the trade, so I can get rid of this alert here, but this is what we're looking at, possibly getting up to 539 or 5723. Over time, of course, could find yourself back up here to $2 or $7.97, something like that. It's looking good though. Banana. Alright, banana. This one threw me off, but it is a very nice uptrend. I'm not even gonna lie. So banana here, you have this beautiful uptrend. It looks like you're coming down to try and interact with it again. And same thing, different toilet, but nice downtrend. You're broken out of it. Even if you come down to backtest, that's fine. Just keep it on your radar because it might make you a lot of money. It just might. We'd be looking from high to low, going back up to this $49 range. So 126%. It's kind of crazy, but hey, banana wants to go bananas. It's what it is, guys. Boba, never even heard of it, but oh no, not that one. Never even heard of it, but looking at the chart, we are resetting right now. On the 4 hour, we're uptrending randomly. So here's our uptrend that we can work off of. Even if you wanted to be super conservative, go from recent high, you'd be looking to get back up to 15 cents. This could be a very, very easy slam dunk of a trade, 32% upside. But noted, you are broken out of this longer term downtrend right now, I believe. I believe you are. There you go. You are broken out of it, and you're uptrending. So this thing could get a little buck wild. You could find yourself going up 113%. Yeah, never heard of boba either, but I looked at the chart. Now, BSW, I'm just showing you guys a bunch of charts that are the same thing. However, this one we do got to look at it a little differently because we have a nice flat level of support here. So this one's more set up for like a scalp trade where I would actually put this right here. As long as you don't fall below that 364 level, you're kind of golden. On a very short-term scalp trade, you're looking for something like this going up to 457. It's a nice little spike up, 19%. But of course, we did break out of a downtrend. And we are uptrending out of it. So let's just say you got the entirety of the move. $103% upside. So that's BSW. Cake surprised me because it looks like it's resetting and it's getting ready to move. Which, yeah, that was the biggest surprise of the night, honestly. Because we are uptrending here. Uptrending, consolidating. Even if we come back down to 239 and we hold it, this is kind of perfectly set up for another large move to the upside. Where I would be looking for something like this. You could go as low as 230, but this thing could actually rally up to 351. Yo, what's up, HQZ? How you doing today? Welcome in. Could be a 36% move to the upside. Wow, my Aave trade, oh, they're going for my stop loss. I can feel it. Oh my god. Look at this crap. Now I'm down 21% on this 25x long. You jerks! Amazing to me. Amazing how I can look so ready to buy and then all of a sudden it sells off. I love it. I love this market. All right. CT. You can see on the 4 hour, you are falling off a cliff on this stochastic. I mean, I just think the sellers are just gone at this point. Nobody else here to sell this token, apparently. But, yeah, here we are. Wait, is this? Nope, this is a real exchange. So maybe you get a move to the upside, maybe you get to fall. Anyways, that uptrend it's ripe for the picking. But yeah, you could find yourself going up 16%. No big deal. No big deal. Anyways, we'll get rid of that. Let's check out chess. Chess. I know, I keep showing you guys the exact same pattern all over the place. It's kind of nuts. Kind of nauseating, even. I believe this one I would go from this point up. That's exactly what I would do. Beautiful uptrend. Beautiful breakout. Even we bring it out to here. We're still broken out, baby. All-time lows. So either this thing goes into the abyss, or we could see it rally 105%. So I'm bringing up Cloud here simply because all it ever does is pump and dump. But you had this nice falling wedge pattern, you traded sideways out of it, and now you're uptrending. And you also reset while being on top of all of your moving averages that happen to be very tight. So Cloud could be getting ready for a moon mission right now. It has a lot of bullishness behind it with the look of this chart, because you're just slow grinding uptrend. I'm just waiting for that random spike up, but you could go 241% upside. Otherwise, enjoy your time in the abyss. But the higher lows are getting me to think, hey, we're about to do something major here. That's your higher low situation right now. It's a very nice higher low situation. Great opportunities to jump in on Cloud. Who knows? Maybe you'll end up on Cloud 9. Jokes. All jokes. Anyways. Ave's down almost a full percent. That is shocking. Core. Alright, here's Core. So Core, I gotta grab this one because it does look like the perfect scalp trade right now. Simply put, you got a beautiful little 50% retrace. You're making a higher low. This could be heading straight to 54 cents. So you're looking for a 20% rise out of Core. As long as you can stay above this low right here, you're going to do just fine. 20% upside, looking pretty damn good. Could it go further? Of course it could. Of course it could. But I'm mainly focused on that 20%. So that's Core for you guys. Last one, Foxy. So Foxy, this one, you can find it on weeks. And it has... Where is the chart that I was using? Here it is. It has broken out of your falling wedge pattern while in the abyss. And it is getting back into this falling channel. So we do have a measured move that we could focus on, which is this right here. So you could find yourself going up 168%, going straight back up to resistance. That's Foxy. All right, let's get into these requests real quick because there's 4 of them, and then we'll go from there. So first up is Layer. Layer. Interesting look here. I would think you're going to consolidate a bit. Let's go into your daily. Yeah, not much data here. Not much to go off of. Positive, you're above all resistance. That's great. You're not overbought. So I'm going to be giving a bullish and a bearish case here. No bearish divergence on the 4-hour. So bearish case, and it's mainly just a 50% retrace. You also have an uptrend. So who knows? Maybe you test the uptrend. It's kind of your worst case scenario. Did you do Cardano yet? I did Cardano at the very beginning. Yes, I did. It was the 4th crypto we looked at. Right after Solana. And it looks really good. Looks like 18% upside could be coming if the market gets bullish again. Apparently we're selling off. I don't know why. I honestly have no idea why it's selling off. No indicators were saying we were going to sell off. But okay, here we are. It's probably those whales with all those shorts in there that are selling like crazy. Going into our 1 hour time frame here. 1 hour looks fine. Looks like it wants to try and rally. I don't think you're going to get the rally you're looking for, though. I think a back test down at this level at 122.75 would be really good. BTC keeps bouncing on the 200-day average line. Is it a good sign? Not really. The more you test it, the weaker it gets. So no, it's not really good. Actually, really bad. It's like really bad. If you keep hitting it, it's like at some point in time the buyers are just gonna give up. So that's funny, HQZ. So yeah, right now I would think, because you are overbought here, you even put in a little bit of bearish divergence, so a nice pullback would make sense. But if you can hold support down here, and literally just a 10% drop, you hold support there, you could find yourself running up to like 173, but you will be in complete price discovery to the upside. We'll see. You also have a level right here that is acting as kind of a supply line, so you could hit that maybe and then roll over. We kind of have to wait and see what the market wants to do, but I would be looking for this 10.5% move to the downside and then getting another rally to the upside. That's just personally what I would be looking for based off the 4 hour. Like the 4 hour is the thing that you have to contend with here. That 4 hour stochastic and being overbought, it's a bad combination. So I'm guessing your 15 is basically, yeah, your 15 showing you're about to start falling. And if I were a betting man, and I think I am, I think you'd be coming straight down here on that next leg down. Right down here. So if you wanted to short it, 5%, seems reasonable. Seems reasonable. Alright, anyways, move. Checking out move. Move, hitting resistance twice. That's cool. You got pretty overbought on the 15. Let's check out the 1 hour. 1 hour time frame, overbought. That's gonna be a major resistance apparently. Too bad. Checking out your 4 hour. Did we reset? Not even close to resetting. Enjoy the downtrend for the next couple days. You're overbought, high stochastic. It's probably gonna take like 2-3 days for this thing to start getting bullish again. So enjoy the downtrend. This was a beautiful move. It was a straight line up, but it looks like the buyers could be getting exhausted. I would be looking for support somewhere down here at 46.88. Based off of this support right here that also was acting as resistance. 47.01. Okay, that level. So yeah, we'll see how move does, but I'm thinking a little bit of a pullback. Little bit of a pullback before you see more upside. Okay, 16%. A lot of a pullback before you see more upside. Alrighty. LCX. LCX. Well, LCX is being annoying. That's all I'm going to tell you right now. It's being quite annoying. You had a major downtrend back here. You broke out of it, but you created this new downtrend, and it's acting as perfect resistance. Oh, no. And you also put in an annoying little pattern here. So you could actually short this pattern right here. That's frustrating. You could find yourself back down here to 14.51 possibly. It's just a possibility. Your 4 hours not saying you're going to dump that far, but just keep that 11% in mind of what could happen. 4 hour does say you should be catching some bids sometime tonight. Let's check out your 1 hour. 1 hour says it too. So bullish case scenario. Let's get rid of this. Bullish case scenario. You'd be looking at it just like this. because you had a very deep retracement uptrend. You broke your uptrend. That's kind of the shameful part. You broke the uptrend, but as long as you make a higher low than this low, I guess it's intact. But you could find yourself at 23.44. Let's hope that you hold this 200 simple moving average on the 1 hour and you get a nice 42% move to the upside. I wouldn't trust it overnight. I would wait for tomorrow morning just to see what the market's doing if you're trying to get into a new trade on this one. Very, very easily it could fall 11% overnight. Very easily. It would be annoying. It'd be frustrating. You get stopped out. And yeah, anyways. That's what I'm seeing out of LCX. If the market wants to be bearish, it'll be bearish. Now let's check out Cookie. Cookie! Nice breakout. Beautiful. Wouldn't surprise me in the least if you come down and test 13.17. Would not be a surprise. Your 1 hour is trying to reset right now. Trying to get you some bids. Your 4 hour needs some time. It just needs some time. But this is a major breakout that you're having, so all you need to do is hold support. If you can hold support, 75% upside could be yours at the cheap price of a lot of time. Yeah. So yeah, that's all the requests today. You guys are letting me off easy. That's a surprise. Let's go back to Bitcoin real quick, see what the heck is going on. So Bitcoin, once again, on the 4 hour, it looks fine. You're above the 200. You're above a level of resistance. This literally looks fine, but they're deciding to sell it off for some reason. Oh, it's the 15-minute being a little butthole. So 15-minute, we're going to see if we can maintain this uptrend or not. But in reality, if we stay above 86.358, we're still really bullish. I will say, though, this is set up perfectly for a short. So if things get poopy doopy, we might see Bitcoin come back down to 86.285, and I would deem that as a fake out to the downside because that would break our local level of support here, and that would probably get a lot of people feeling super bearish. But that also lines up almost perfectly with a 50% retrace as well. Frustrating time. Frustrating time. Your 15-minute is the only thing resetting right now. Your 1 hour already reset. You're above the 50 simple. Your 4 hour already is basically reset. You're above the 200. And your on your daily, you're perfectly fine. You just entered the bullish control zone. Perfectly fine. You got a daily candle close above resistance. Even more beautiful. Still have not tested the 50 simple on the daily. Oh my god. Alright, still haven't tested the 50 simple on the daily. There's no reason to be selling right now. But this is the world we live in. Checking out Aave, seeing how much it's going to stop me out is frustrating to say the least. Daily, looking fine. Why the heck not? But yeah, let's sell it off. No big deal. 4 hours sitting in neutral territory. If it comes down and touches this 50 simple and stops me out, I'm going to lose my shit. I'm going to lose my shit. All of it. I'm going to crash out. On the 1 hour, I guess we need to reset further, possibly get oversold or something. I don't know. Making no sense to me right now. Making no sense. Losing our uptrend is the most annoying part. Looking at Cass, we went from almost oversold to now what? We need to confirm our lows. This is some bullshit. Some bullshit. Anyways. We're going to see what the market does. I think in the next couple days we could see a breakout, though. It looks like the bears are trying really hard to stop out all the longs. They're trying really hard. So if they do manage to stop out all the longs, well, I'm expecting all the bears to get shafted right after. And yeah, it'll be frustrating, but kind of that's how the market's been. Just these little scam wicks to the downside, stopping everybody out before it rallies. So fun to play this game. But yeah, guys, if there's no other requests, I'm gonna hop on out of here. This was a nice, short and sweet stream. I do appreciate you guys for coming in. There was some good news in the markets. I guess we're just waiting for Friday, seeing what'll happen. Actually, let's ask Grok something real quick. What Bitcoin's max pain price for future. All right, let's see what Grok gives us. No problem, HQZ. So as of March 25th, max pain price for Bitcoin futures expiring this week, specifically on Friday, March 28th, 8 a.m. UTC, reported to be 85K. This figure is based on current sentiment and data shared by multiple sources on X, reflecting a strike price at which the greatest number of Bitcoin options contracts would expire worthless, causing maximum financial loss for option holders. 12.23 billion? Holy shit. Holy shit. That's a lot. That is a lot. Holy fuck. Okay. Well, good luck to all those traders out there. They are going to be manipulating the dog shit out of this market. Holy crap. That's insane. 12.23 billion? Oh my god. That's a lot of open interest. Oh boy. Oh, it's going to be a rough Friday, everybody. It's going to be a rough Friday. 85K. How far off are we? Shit, that's 2,000 to the... Why does that line up like perfectly with the downside move? Son of a bitch. Alright, there we are. There we are. We're going to see what happens. There's going to be some fireworks in this market, I'll tell you what. But if the bulls want to win, they have the opportunity of a lifetime here to really screw over those shorts. That is crazy. Currently, a 5% move to the upside would do it. 5%. All right. Can I look up celery futures? What? Wait, what? Celery futures? I don't know how to look it up. What is celery futures ticker? Sell everything before Friday. Okay. I never said that. I have no idea. I have no idea how to look up celery futures. HQZ, if you can give me the ticker, I'll look it up for you. I don't know what it is. U.S. celery price? Oh, it was just a joke? Oh. Well, there's like orange juice futures, so... It's funny people bet on that stuff. Tomato, potato, and salad? Oh, boy. Alve's gonna stop me out. Damn. How annoying. How very annoying. You get a breakout just to get pushed back down? So frustrating. Caspa is doing a little better of a job, probably because it's still in this bearish control zone on the 1 hour, but man, it's trying to sell off too. Damn. That sucks. Anyways, guys, I'm going to get on out of here. I do appreciate each and every one of you for showing up. If you guys could do me a huge favor, please hit the like button. Maybe subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Tomorrow, we're going to be taking all requests as normal. And then Thursday, back to members only chat. But, yeah, other than that, I'm going to eat some dinner. I'm going to watch The Boys because apparently I didn't finish the 4th season. So, yeah. Eric B., are you related to Cardi B? Oh, boy. Oh, boy. All right, guys, you take it easy. Make sure your stop losses are tight. Deuces, everybody. I appreciate each and every one of you. Hopefully, I'll see you in Discord sometime. Hopefully.